On this episode of the O2 Garage, it's all about putting this bug back on the road, and after 5 long years, it's finally time for it to hit the street.
It's about time, Dave.
Let's go! Alright, so we're going to kick things off by re-bleeding the brakes. Now I reckon this is about the 6th time I've bloody done this, but we found that there was some wheel cylinders that were leaking at the back of the car. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the 2 wheel cylinders on both sides, clean it all down, readjust all the brakes front to back, and then we're going to go through and re-bleed the whole lot. And I'll probably get Ruby out, she's pretty good at doing that, and then hopefully that'll sort it out. And then we can put the wheels back on for the last time. Finally. Alright Tom, you ready to bleed some brakes?
I'm the world's best, Dave.
Why is that?
Because we do it that many bloody times.
Alright, we're going to start at the back, we're going to work to the front, and we're going to get done finally. What do you reckon?
Sounds good.
Down.
Down, hold.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Down, hold.
Up.
Up.
There's the first one done. We actually have a brake pedal now. Clutch, brake pedal. Clutch needs a little bit more on it, so we'll get under there and quickly do that while we're got the wheel off. But I think that works a treat. Alright, so we are very close to having the Baja back on the road. The reality of it is what we have to do now is give the bodywork a clean, and that's going to involve the old gumption trick. You remember we did that one with the Ford Ute, I think? In the car, you want the car to look as good as you possibly can. And when you're on a tight budget and a tight timeline, you need something that's cheap and it's going to work straight away. Now, if you've got a car like the Falcon where it's what we call a flat colour, not a metallic colour, it's very easy to keep clean. If you've got a car that has maybe got some oxidisation and the paint's faded, this trick works as well. And it was told to me by an old panel beating guy a long time ago when I was a lot younger. You use a polish to clean the paint. Now, car polish can be expensive. This stuff, however, gumption, is actually really cheap. You can get it from the local supermarket, multi-purpose cleaner, bathroom, kitchen, laundry. It's designed for enamel bathtubs and bits and pieces and stuff like that. And it comes as basically a paste. And what you do with the paste is you put it on wet, you give it a bit of a scrub, not too hard depending on what you're working on, and it will actually clean the paint back. After that, you get yourself just a normal wet rag, you wet rag it off, let it dry, give the car a wash and dry it, and you'll be amazed at how clean it comes off. So, once we've got all that sorted out, then we can go down and get some rego papers, and hopefully today, mate, we can get it back on the road.
Can't wait.
Okay, so the next step is the step I have been waiting ever since we bought the Baja to do, and that is to clean the bodywork with gumption. Now, if you've never seen us use gumption before, we used it on the Falcon Ute. Tom's now down here having a crack at it. Is it working well, mate?
Not too bad.
Yeah? So he's got his little pot of gumption down there. He puts some water up there and he cleans it off. And what it actually does is it cleans off any impurities on the paint. And if you've got an enamel paint job or an acrylic paint job, especially white, it works an absolute treat. Really cleans the paint right up. So this time lapse next one might be a little bit of a long one, but it's worth it because Baja's starting to get ready. All right, TJ, well, this is actually going to be our very first road drive. The car's registered and insured.
Yeah.
Look at the cat. Cat doesn't give a crap. Are you excited?
Yeah, man.
I'm actually pretty excited. It's been a long road, so let's just have a cruise, a short one. We'll go to Uncle Mark's place, we'll talk to him, and then we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
Let's do it. All right, mate, here we go. Let's have a crack and see what happens. I'm a bit nervous.
Yeah.
But that's what it's all about. You know, when you got an old car, you got to have a crack. This is the first time it's been on the road, I reckon, for probably what, 5 years?
Yeah.
Brakes are doing okay. Saturday afternoon in Adelaide, and the Baja's back on the road. Now I'm gonna work these gears out. Well, mate, not too bad so far. It's a bit noisy. You know what, Tom? I reckon this has been a successful run so far, mate.
Yeah.
We haven't gone very far away from home, but it's driving really, really well. That timing issue, I think we've got that sorted out and nailed. I played around with the mixtures, it seems to be running really well. I think all things being equal, we've kicked the goal. You know?
Yeah. It's good, nice to drive.
We do have to take it to a coffee and cars though, don't we?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I think what we'll do is we'll just enjoy this drive, we'll take it home, put it away, and then we'll maybe go to coffee and cars tomorrow morning.
Sounds good.
Job done!